Hello everybody, welcome to the class again. Today we are going to talk about comparatives and superlatives. But in this video, I will show you only comparative adjective and I will keep superlative adjective in another video for the next week. So today we are going to learn only comparative adjective. Okay, and you will learn about how to use comparative adjective with number one, short adjective, and number two, long adjective. Okay, so what is short adjective? What is long adjective? Okay, let's move on. Okay, use. So when do we use comparative adjective? We use comparative adjective to compare the differences between two nouns. Like we want to compare the differences between two people and things and others like ideas, like opinion and so on. Okay, let's move to the form here. Okay, so before we start the form, okay, we use the first thing that we are going to come up with the form is the short adjective. So what is short adjective? Short adjective is an adjective that is only one syllable or one sound. Okay, example, small, that is only one syllable and you hear only one sound. Tall, short, smart, and slow. So those are short adjectives. And we have the form for the short adjective, which is here. Okay, we have a subject, which is I, you, we, they, he, she, it, be, verb to be like is, am, are, and adjective, which is short adjective, and we plus or, and we plus than, and we plus noun. Okay, I will give you example here. Okay, so here, subject I use I, so I will go with am, which is verb to be. I am tall, short adjective, taller than her. I am taller than her. So this is the way that we show the difference between two people. That another one is tall and the one is short. Okay, let's see another example. Okay, we see some more here. Okay, I am taller than her, or you can say she is shorter than me. Okay, you have to remember that we use comparative adjective with or plus than here, but that they are highlighted in the yellow color here. They are very important to compare the things or people here. So don't forget to use or and then. I am taller than her. She is shorter than me. Okay, let's take a look at some more examples. Okay, you see the picture here, big, small. So the lion is big and the mouse is small. Maybe you call rat or whatever. Okay, so how can you make the sentence that you can compare these two animals? Okay, I will show you here. Okay, you can say the lion is bigger than the mouse. Or another way we can say that the mouse is smaller than the lion. So here again, we use big plus or plus than, small plus or plus than. So bigger than, smaller than. Okay, let's go to some more example. Okay, you see the picture here. Okay, the young boy and the old lady here. So what you gonna say in this picture here? Okay, she is older than him. You see, she is old and he is young, so it means she is older than him. So ER plus than, older than. Or another way you can say he is younger than her. Okay, this is another way to compare two people here, older and younger. Okay, let's move on to the next thing here. Okay, here we go to the spelling rules here. Okay, there are something that you have to remember and you have to take note here. Okay, the bold consonants. Okay, so let's see example here. Okay, we use the bold consonant when the ending letters in consonant plus vowel plus consonant. Okay, I will show you example. Okay, big, bigger. So the word big here is a consonant. Remember the consonant like C, B, D, Z. So vowel. Okay, vowel like we have I, E, O, U, remember, and G again is the consonant. So B is the consonants plus vowel, which is I, and plus consonant. So the word big, we have here consonant plus vowel plus consonant. So this time we have to add one more G, or we call it a double consonant. So you have to double G. Here another example, thin. Okay, H-I-N, which is consonant, vowel, and consonants. Thinner. So we have to double N here. Hot. The same thing here. Consonant, vowel, and consonant. Hotter. And the last one is sad. Consonant, vowel, and consonant. So we double D here. Sadder. So we have to remember the rule. Be careful. Okay, another rule is we remove Y and replace by I, E, or. Example here, happy. So the ending letter is Y. So you have to remove Y and you have to replace by I, E, or. Happy, happier. Funny, remove Y. Funnier. Easy, easier. Heavy, heavier. Angry, angrier. So remember the rule here. Y at the end, even though they are having two syllables, which is two sound, but they end with Y. So we have to remove Y and replace by I, E, or. Happy, happier. Funny, funnier. And we have some more, and you can do the research by yourself. Okay, let's move on to another rule here. Okay, irregular adjective. Okay, irregular adjective, we do not add anything, but we change the whole things. Example like good, we change to better. We do not say gooder, we say better. Bad, we say worse. We do not say better, we say worse. And another one is far. We do not say farther, we say further. So these three adjectives you have to remember when you compare the people or things. Okay, let's move on to another one. Okay, now we go to long adjective. Okay, so long adjective mean more than one syllable or sound. So we use long adjective to compare the people and things. The same thing, just like short adjective. But this time the sound is more than one. Example like beautiful. So you hear the sound, there are three sound or three syllable, right? And handsome. Okay. And expensive. Okay. So expensive, there are three syllables. Okay, let's take a look at the form of long adjective. Okay, the same thing, we have subject, which is I, you, we, they, he, she, it. Be, is, am, or are, but this time is different. We do not use e or anymore, we use more. Okay, we plus more plus adjective, which is long adjective, and we plus than and plus noun here. So remember, long adjective we use with more adjective and then than. Okay, let's take a look at the example here. My car is more expensive than yours. So we don't say that my car is expensiver than yours, which is wrong. We say my car is more expensive than yours. Another example. My friends are more helpful than your friends. Okay, here we do not say helpfuler than your friend. We don't say like that. That is wrong. So we say more helpful than your friends. Another example. He is more handsome than me. We do not say he is handsomer than me, or we cannot say like he is more handsomer than me. So the way that we say it according to the form, the correct way to say it is he is more handsome than me. Okay, let's take a look at some more example. Okay, look at the picture here. Okay, let's pretend that they are friends or something. I don't know. Okay, you can see the picture. One is beautiful. One is it's not really beautiful. Okay, and how can you say about this picture here? Okay, she is more beautiful than her friends. So the girl who's in the yellow shirt, she is more beautiful than her friend. So again, we don't use beautifuler than, we use more beautiful than. Okay, another example. She is more interesting than her friend. So if somebody is more beautiful, which is somebody is more interesting. So again, the yellow shirt girl, she is more interesting than her friends. And we do not say interestinger than. The right way to say is more interesting than. Okay, let's take a look at another example. Okay, here in the picture is the girl is reading. Look like she is having a good time with her reading. Another one is writing. This look like he is having the hard time with his writing. Okay, how can you say about these two picture? Okay, this picture. I'm sorry. Okay, okay, let's say it. Okay, writing is more difficult than reading. According to the picture, the writing is more difficult than reading because he's tearing a lot of paper or something, throw it away, and she's reading and relaxing here. So another way we can say from the picture is reading is more relaxing than writing. Okay, look at the girl here. She's read in the relaxing way. She's having good time with her reading. She enjoys it so much. So we can say reading is more relaxing than writing. Okay, again here. So, okay, we use comparative adjective to compare people, things, and you have to remember the comparative adjective with the short adjective and long adjective. Okay, I think that is all for our lesson in this video. Okay, the next video we will talk about superlative, which is next week. And thank you so much. I will see you guys next video.